So you're making a video, might be a YouTube video or a documentary or a corporate. So from a director's point of view, you have a contributor or a presenter, depends if they're being interviewed or if they're talking directly to the audience, and you've got a location, and you've got B-roll, which is just an expression that comes from the old film days where you literally had a roll of film and you would have the A-roll with people talking, and the B-roll, which is shots of the stuff they were talking about. You can think of the interview and the B-roll like your pasta and tomato sauce. It's a perfectly good basis for something, but it's pretty boring, and you are not going to win MasterChef with pasta and tomato sauce. So, what other types of shots can we use to tell our story? Well, we've already talked about interviews, but they don't have to be somebody sat down in a chair talking. You could do your interview sat in a kitchen over coffee. Or while they're doing something. Or you could do the interview when they're on the way to the next location. Try doing something other than just a piece to camera with your blah, 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 blah. Or you can do a walk and talk. Or doing a challenge. And of course, you can always use voiceover. What about the shots that tell the story visually, your B-roll? Well, you can make a montage. You can do weird, arty, abstract shots. What about observational filming? Or what we would call pack shots like this. And then of course, there's general hipster nonsense time-lapse, drones, GoPros on people's heads. But what if your film is about something abstract that you can't go out and shoot in the real world, like economics or quantum physics, which is probably what most of your films are about? Well, you just have to come up with a brilliant visual metaphor. Just remember not to make it cheesy or stupid. If you try out an idea from this video, tell us how it went. Send us a link to your film. We like hearing from you. We don't like hearing from you. We hate you. And if you want to learn more about filmmaking, sign up to our email list to receive tricks, tips, and other helpful things from industry professionals.